Hello, investors. Welcome back to the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. And in today's episode, we are diving into Nigeria's hottest investment opportunities in 2025. And I'm challenging myself also to uncover the best investment opportunities that could really pay off. Yes, I know you are also ready to learn. If you are ready to learn to invest in Nigeria, I mean, from the booming real estate market to, the cutting edge fintech businesses or ventures, then stick around to the end of this video. Do not go anywhere. And I will be showing you where and how to invest in the hottest investment opportunities in Nigeria in 2025. But however, I need to also let you know there are some things that you need to know about the Nigeria's economy. Yes, there are so many things that are happening around the nation that you need to know. The economy is expected to grow by 4% this year. Yes, the GDP is expected to grow by what? 4%, with projections of foreign direct investment, which is expected to skyrocket to around $20 billion. Now, we also need to consider a youthful, dynamic population and, the transformative sectors that we have in Nigeria. And for that reason, Nigeria is quickly becoming a magnet for global investors. You need to know this. Whether you are exploring Nigeria stock investment opportunities or you are considering real estate investment in 2025, the opportunity is right here in Nigeria. Yes, if you know where to look at, then you will definitely make money in this economy. Over the past years, many of us have witnessed how challenging the market could be. A lot of challenges have been in the market, and some of us have gone through a lot of things with high inflation, turbulence, forex exchange rates. We've seen a lot of challenges even in 2025. But however, the Nigeria economy is expected to turn around for good this year because it's a time to invest smartly and to also reap good returns on your investment. But before we talk about investment, I'd like us to quickly set the stage with some key macroeconomic factors. First is inflation. We all know that last year inflation soared unexpectedly, and while we were hoping for stability, most economists predict that inflation might remain stubbornly high this year, which is going to be around 25%. Although the president is working between 15 and 20%, but I don't know how he's going to do that with the situation in the country. But let's hope that it's going to be around, let's say 25, 20 or 25%. And this high inflation environment means that your investment choices must not only beat inflation but also build real value over time. I hope you understand that. But however, the next thing that you also need to consider is you need to consider the forex market. The Naira looks more stable in 2025, and experts are also expecting the exchange rate to escalate into a narrow band, offering a more predictable environment. And you know what that means? With these factors in mind, instead of keeping or saving your money in the bank, it is time for you to invest, but also invest wisely. This is the best time to invest wisely. So going further, we also need to look at the improved economic growth projections with the new investment options that are emerging right now. These are the signals for you to explore because the Nigeria's top investment opportunities will soar this year. It will soar this year. So whether that means diving into the stock market, or hedging your bet with forex, or even tapping into innovative sectors like, the real estate and fintech, this is the time for you to position yourself. You get that? So let's break down the top areas where you can invest in Nigeria in 2025. The first investment opportunity for you to invest is stocks and equity. Stock and what? Stock and equity. The Nigerian stock exchange market showed strong returns last year, in 2024, and often beating the inflation rate, even though stocks might not soar as high this time around, this period. But many companies, especially the banking sector and the blue chip stocks, are still trading at attractive multiples. You understand? So if you are wondering what are the best investment opportunities in Nigeria, consider diversifying your portfolio with well-valued equities. Well-valued equities. Look at blue chips, look at some banking stocks, and you're going to tap into the opportunity that is available in the stock and equity market. Next up is Forex and dollar-denominated investments. You see, dollar or Forex remains essential hedge against the Naira. Yes, we all know that. While you don't have to dollarize all your savings, but having some funds in stable and dollar-denominated investment can protect you against local currency fluctuations. I hope you know that. Now, looking at the opportunities in Forex-denominated bonds in Nigeria, you see, Nigeria has even issued bonds with impressive yields. They have bonds with impressive yields. And these strategies offers both protection and the potential for solid returns. Now, if you understand that, then you can invest in the likes of dollar-denominated mutual funds, or there are some bonds that are dollar bonds that you can also buy. Now, and then once you do that, then you can be rest assured that yes, you will definitely make something because it is federal government bond. Next up, which is the number 3 investment opportunity in this economy, is real estate. Real estate in Nigeria is experiencing a surge, especially in big cities like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, and even Enugu. Yes, demand for both traditional homes and alternative or innovative short-term rental apartments is skyrocketing now. If you have houses in locations like in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and the likes, and maybe you are not around, you are in diaspora, then this is the best time for you to look at short-term rental apartment opportunities, investment opportunities. Yeah, so whether you are looking at Nigerian real estate investment or considering joint ventures with friends to buy property, it is very, very much available, and this sector is ripe for growth. Now, this is something that is hot cake. Now, let me reveal this. This is big. Here's the big reveal. Now, one of the most promising opportunities is the convergence of technology with real estate. I hope you know. Have you heard? Imagine leveraging digital platforms to streamline properties, property transactions, and manage investment more efficiently. That is where the real estate industry is going now in Nigeria. And this blend of Nigerian real estate investment with tech innovation isn't just a trend. It's a game changer now that you must tap into, position yourself to invest in that industry. And by investing in tech-enabled real estate platforms, you not only access a stable asset class, but also tap into government incentives and emerging market trends. Absolutely. And this could be the secret sauce that redefines how you invest in Nigeria in 2025. So next up, which is the number 4 investment opportunity that I want to look into in 2025, and that is bonds and treasury bills. The federal government bonds and treasury bills are also worth your attention. They worth your attention, with the government planning substantial borrowing in the just approved budget. You know what that means? They're going to be borrowing money from the public through bonds and treasury bills. And that is where you can also position yourself to invest your money, because there are bond issues that offer returns as high as 16 to 17%. And this is released every month. You know, the offer is always released every month. So you need to position yourself and be in the know. Be in the know. So these are fantastic for those that are seeking a relatively safe asset that hedges against inflation. Coming up next is mutual funds and collective investment. For those who prefer a hand-off approach, you know, maybe you are not that skilled in trading, in buying this, buying that, or however, mutual funds remain an excellent choice for you. These funds pool money from different or many investors and are managed by experts, yes, and they offer diversified exposure with minimal hazard. I mean minimal exposure in the market, and they are particularly attractive for passive investors who want steady income or steady, reliable returns. Now, when you understand all this that I just shared with you, you need to also now position yourself so that by the time all these opportunities are open, then you step in, tap into it, and you know, you never can tell. This year is loaded with opportunities, especially investment opportunities in Nigeria that you can tap into. So to wrap up, I'd like us to quickly recap that the Nigeria's economy is on the rise with promising growth and stable forex projections for 2025, and also that the key investment sectors include stocks, you know, forex denominated or dollar denominated bonds, FGN savings bond, real estate, and mutual funds. And also the integration of tech with the real estate is opening up a whole new avenue for high yield investment opportunities in Nigeria. These insights answer critical questions like how can I invest in Nigeria, and what are the best investment opportunities in Nigeria for 2025. Now, this is the best time for you to act and position yourself for success in this vibrant market. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and drop your comment in the comment section below, and also share this video with someone out there. You never can tell. And don't also forget to subscribe if you are coming across this channel for the first time, and also click the bell icon for more updates on emerging market and smart investment strategies. Let's invest in Nigeria and secure a prosperous 2025 together. Till I see you in the next episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. I remain your host. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.